Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create a template with Confluence. So first log into Atlassian account, then log into your Confluence account with your Gmail active account. Make sure you use Gmail on both Atlassian and Confluence account. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. Click on Templates on the left sidebar. And for example, we're going to use Sales Portal template, so just click on Use Template to use this template on your project. This template is dedicated to Sales Portal, so this will add this template to your working page. So you can customize all of his settings here, guys. So just everything is editable, don't worry about that. You have sections and you can also choose to add Sales Accounting template. FIYR, Races All Hands, Meeting 90-Day Plan template. So we have the blog post, the budget proposal template. We have a lot of available templates here in Confluence. So this is it, guys. Your work is done. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.